What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the videos. Today I have decided I'm going to have my sister clean my car, and I'm going to give her whatever cash I have in my wallet to clean my car. Now, I've been thinking about it. I don't even know how much cash I have in my wallet, but let's take a seat real fast and count because, you know, honestly, I don't even know what's in my wallet. I don't want to be giving Sophie too much money to clean the whip. All right, let's see how much I got. Some cards. I have a piece of paper in here. I don't even know. Okay, right here, cash. Here we go. I got, how much do I even have? 20, okay, hold on. 20, 45, 50. Okay, I'm gonna give my sister 50 bucks. Okay, actually, I'm gonna hide a 20. Let's hide a 20 in my sock. Yeah. As you guys know, I usually park the WRX right here in this general area, or I have it in the garage wherever we're working, but right now I have it right there, and that is the best spot to park. Now, I like parking right there because I'm up at such a different level and I'm looking down at the car and I'm like, dude, that looks fresh, and I just come out and it makes me happy, so I park right there sometimes. It's looking fresh today. Now, I mainly just need the interior clean from spilling the coffee, and over the whole winter I just have not had that much time to clean the car because it's so cold outside. And as soon as you get your hands wet in the cold, man, that is not the move. It is terrible, and I hate it. I recently put a air freshener in my car. Now, there's something special about it, and there's kind of a story behind it, but I want to show you which one it is so then you know, honestly, to never get it. Okay, sitting in the Subi, as you guys can see right here. This is the one. This is not the move. Oh my, what's going on here? What is going on here? Oh my gosh. Okay, black ice. So now, when it comes to air fresheners, you have to be smart. So the black ice little tree, now this is pretty fire. Everybody knows about this one. Smells really good. It kind of just smells like a boy's car. That's how you know it's chilling. And honestly, who hasn't had black ice? You guys all know how that is. But this thing, my mom gave me this for free, so I was kind of down. I was looking closer at it, and I'm all, oh wow, thanks mom. Thanks for giving me a free air freshener. Come to find out, it says Christmas Cottage, and it's made by Scentsy. Yeah, no wonder it was free. Every time I get in here, I'm all, bruh, that smells terrible. And then my sister gets in my car, and she goes, yo bro, why's your car smell like that? And I'm all, oh, mom gave me the free air freshener. And she says, well, bro, it kind of smells like a chick's car. I said, get out. I have a new way of doing the whole air freshener thing, so stay tuned for a little after the cleaning part of this video, and I will show you what I mean by that. I love my Subi. It just looks so dope. It looks so dope. It's the funnest thing to drive ever. Wow. What a banger. Okay, I don't know why I'm still holding this, but we need to get rid of this ASAP. Oh, I can smell it. It smells like I don't even know, like cinnamon or something.
What's up?
Hey.
What's up?
You want to make some quick cash?
What you got in mind?
All right, I have a deal for you. So if you come outside and you clean the inside of my car, I'll give you whatever money I have in my wallet.
Okay, I'm down.
All right, come outside. I'm gonna pull my car up in the driveway.
Okay, bet.
Okay, peace. Yo! You down?
Yeah.
Rocking the Driven Mods merch, let's go! There we go, so you down to do this now? Mm-hmm. All right, let's get it. Okay, so what's the first thing you're gonna do? I don't even know. Yeah, just start wiping stuff down, start vacuuming.
Okay.
Vacuuming, there's the vacuum over there.
Wipe down first.
Okay, wipe down first and then vacuum.
Yeah, wipe down.
Okay. No, vacuum first and then wipe down.
No, because what if you wipe it down onto the carpet, then you gotta zoom it up. Just listen.
Yeah, but if you...
Nope, we're doing it my way.
Here's the selection. I don't know, here's some protectant stuff. Here's some more wipes, some cleaning wipes. Take all you need. All right, start with that. Here, you need a microfiber towel. Here's like 7. Take that one, or take this one.
Yeah, blue's better. What are you talking about?
All right, here we go. Let's see what you can do.
Let's go.
Did you stop recording it when you handed it to me?
See, bro, that shit's tripping me out too. When I looked at it,
Hey, you want to check it?
Yeah. So pretty much, my car is getting cleaned and detailed, and I don't even have to do nothing. I think we should do this more often. This is pretty lit.
I'm kind of down.
Okay, bet. Looking in this wallet, there's a nice little surprise in here, so. I mean, I don't want you to see how much is in here, but listen, dollar bills, listen.
Bank.
That sounds like some banks. Hey, let me see. You better be doing good.
Look at this.
Yeah, you better start going to town. Every inch, every centimeter, every little bit needs to be cleaned.
I got you, bro.
Did you need me to start helping? I'm not helping. Hold up. You missed a spot.
Where?
Get that area.
I can't wait to vacuum.
Why?
It's gonna be so satisfying.
Guys, honestly, my car is always clean, but over the winter, it's just such a struggle, like I said, to keep it clean. So this is just like a nice little spring detail that we're getting done here. This is nice. You're doing good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing great.
Shut up! It's time to.
Uh-oh. Oh my gosh.
You should take.
Yo, this car just is so bad. You're impressing me so far. Look how clean she's got the. Get this spot. Get that
I haven't
section.
got there yet, man.
Oh, my bad.
Thank you. Gotta get those creases. That's what I got nails for, you see?
Oh.
Got it? Get it? Good.
So girls are meant for cleaning. Okay, this is actually Sophie's side of the car. She's the one that always sits on this side. And as I look into the door, I notice there is a garbage can right here. I didn't know this came with the Subarus. It's kind of crazy. I didn't know it was like that.
It's a Sophie garbage can. It's a little bean garbage can.
I know there's a gum wrapper. There's got to be a gum wrapper. I buy gum for myself. I keep it in my glove box or my center console, and Sophie eats it all.
My bad.
Oh, and there it is. I knew there'd have to be at least one. Get off this side skirt.
I clean it out pretty good every once in a while.
You do. Honestly, this is not too bad, and this part's not too bad either, but usually it's very bad.
You got some fizz, straw wrappers, any kind of wrappers, extra change, anything you can find will be in there.
That is a fact.
Where did we go? We went somewhere and you needed something. I looked in there and it was there. It was like a quarter or something. Can we take pictures after this though? Can I change gears? Thanks. I want to know what this is. This is like... You have something... Looking good. Don't put that in there. Watch, you're gonna put it in there now. River, I look so bad.
I know.
You're just saying that. I know how you work. Can we like clean your like mats? Like, can we take them out and like do something with them?
How do you want to clean them?
We can go to the place.
Okay, we can just go spray the car after this. I'm not gonna put that in here because this is really just an interior detail.
This is just an interior detail.
Wow, big words for a little girl.
I know, tell me about it. Ooh, can you just... One day. I was talking to this kid and anyways, short. He said he
Short story short.
Short. He didn't realize that my teeth were the way they are. He's like, I didn't even notice. I was like, going right.
Yeah, dude, because toots.
Switch! Hey.
I'm gonna take some of these wipes and kind of just get the little corrections, you know? Because I'd rather it be perfect.
Yeah, when it comes to the car, it kind of has to be.
I know.
Honestly, having nails makes this 10 times easier.
Really?
Getting the little crevices, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so the car is in need to the max of a vacuum. We're gonna pull out the shop vac and we're going...
Sophie!
What?
There is gum wrappers in the back seat.
No, there's not.
There's gum wrappers in the back seat.
This thing's complicated. You didn't do what I said to do. Hold him up.
Oh. Yes, master. Oh my gosh. She didn't even pull the slack out even a little bit. All 4 doors open? That looks pretty dope. sucked up a whole piece of gum?
Yeah, bro.
What?
We're slacking, dude. I could eat this.
For real?
Let's go.
Halfway through the cleaning process, and I would definitely give Sophie a 10 out of a 10. She's absolutely killing it right now. I have never taught her how to clean my car, and I have never actually let my little sister clean my car, but she is doing it today, and she's absolutely killing the game. If you are a viewer of this right now and you have a little sister, you should definitely pay her to clean your car. I highly recommend it. Let's finish this up. Yo, here's like the coolest part of this. So basically, I get to mess around, have fun, and my car is getting clean. That sounds like the move. Looking mint. The car's looking mint. What?
I just vacuumed up 2 more gum wrappers.
So Sophie's at a total of 4 gum wrappers vacuumed up at the moment. I really hope she finds more. Let's get this tally up, boys. Let's get this tally up. Oh, we just hit 5. Let's push for 10 gum wrappers found. So far, we're at 5. Yeah, let's try to get it, boys. Okay, I'm gonna continue skating. I can't land that. That was so close. That was a fire front shove, guys. Landed it clean. I really hope I got that in the vid. I used to skate a lot. I really know how to skate. I love skating. So, feels good to get back on a board. I haven't been on a board for a minute, at least a year or so. Well, you guys know it's been snowing and stuff, so. Sophie's cleaning the whip. We're just kind of chilling. I'm actually sitting on Stone's truck. This thing is really dope. Here's my dad's Ford F-150. He put a leveling kit on it and put some Works wheels. I think they go by Works. It's like W Star RX. So it's kind of like WRX with the star. But yeah, his truck's pretty dope. What's the next move?
Look.
Huh?
Ooh, it looks brand new.
Really? Let me come see. Let's check out how Sophie did on the interior detail. Sophie, how do you feel like you did? Rate yourself 1 out of 10?
I think I did good.
Okay, let's check out this interior. Oh, money! Sophie, you killed it! Oh, look how clean the door is. Look how clean the steering wheel is. All the cluster, no dust whatsoever.
Trash can, it's empty. Money moves.
Yeah, Sophie, no, this looks good. Carpet is all nice and clean. I would definitely eat a meal off of it. Now that Sophie is done cleaning the interior of the car, we're not cleaning the exterior today. We're doing that off of camera, but I have one last thing that I would like to do for the video. I would like to show you guys, like I talked about previously, was the new wave on air fresheners. We're gonna go hit up O'Reilly, and I'm gonna go find some air fresheners to put in the whip, and I'm gonna be making the car smell JDM as fuck. It's gonna just fill the air with a bunch of little smell goods, and it's just gonna be the move. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. I figured this out through a very, very big car enthusiast on Instagram. I pretty much, well, he didn't say, I just seen how he did it, so we're gonna do it. So Sophie found a couple other things. Yep. So we are 7 gum wrappers total for the video. That is impressive. We will try to beat it next spring when we do our next spring cleaning.
O'Reilly!
Auto farts. Ew! Let's find some air fresheners.
I like that car.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful silver.
Yeah, thank you.
Let me see.
I'm just kidding.
Let me see.
Thank you. Okay, let's find a cup holder because I want to make sure these fit.
How are you gonna find a cup holder in here?
They have cup holders. I
Wait,
think.
what? How does that work?
I don't know, let's find something. You also have cup holders?
I guarantee they're designed for that.
I think I just broke that. Okay, I actually just come out here to see if this air freshener is going to fit in my cup holder because as you guys see, this, oh yes, see? And then we're gonna get 2 of them and we're gonna put them in here and it's gonna smell absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, that is the move. Okay, I should probably go pay for this. Honestly, Sophie kind of killed the cleaning, so I think I owe her all the money that is in my wallet. You're not looking?
No.
Should I give you the money?
I mean, I deserve it.
All right, here's my wallet. What? Careful. That might be more than you're expecting. You can have all the cash that is inside there. How much?
20, 25, 30.
Are you down?
I'm down.
All right, bet. That's all that matters. Okay, peace out, guys. Have a good day. Sophie killed it.
Wait! Follow my Instagram.
Peace.